Hi everyone, Ollie here. It's finally arrived, the new Create and Colour subscription from Uniquely Creative. Let's open it together. These retail for Australian $37, and I think I've actually got two kits in here because it's the very first one off the press, so to speak, and they were going to give a past one as well as the first one. So we've got a welcome and how to do your subscription details and a nice thank you card. Oh, and it has sentiments on the back. Now the really good thing with Uniquely Creative sentiments is they can foil because it's on toner card. So yeah, you can foil those. Awesome. Oh, got a new Woodless Pencil Set. I think this was a bonus for being the first subscriber as well. I've not used these before. Let's have a look. Oh, they're woodless watercolour pencils. So there's actually no casing around them like a traditional pencil. So the whole thing is the colour. I'll have to give them a go. That sounds very interesting actually. I'm practicing my watercolour skills at the moment. What's this one? Oh, it's a free bonus pack. Ah, okay. Let's have a look what's in here then. So that's the thank you. We have creative cuts. Oh, 2 packets of creative cuts. This one is summer holiday. Let's have a look at what sort of things are in here. I'd say it's all going to be summer and beachy and very nice. Oops, I'm dropping them all now. Oh, road trip. Suitcase, very nice. So it covers holidays, summer, sunny days. Very nice things to add to scrapbook pages or cards or anything really, albums. So that's that one. This one is the Story Garden. So I can see we have a little rabbit. Oops, daisy. Got a little rabbit, little mouse, cat, raccoon, another rabbit. So it's like a woodsy kind of a theme. Be really pretty on cards, albums, children's albums, a baby album. Got a few sentiments in there. Sweet, garden, love. I like the mushroom. That's a nice a banner, so you can have it either that way or that way. You can even pop a sentiment on there. Birthday, birthday, baby. There you go. It is for baby albums as well. Darling. Oh, then we've got some flowers. We've got some nice roses. Oh, the keys are in there. And some nice little bibs and bobs. Nice colour palette. I like that. Whoops, daisy. And I'm going to start introducing album tutorials as well. So these sort of things are really, really good in albums. There we go. And then we've got 2 paper packs. So these must go with, yep, summer holiday. So that's with that one, and then this one is the Story Garden, so it goes with that one. The paper quality is very, very good from Uniquely Creative as well. Lovely, lovely. Okay, they're all loose by the look of it, yep. So even though that's the title page, you can just chop it there and you can still use that strip very easily. Make good use of everything in there. That's pretty. Cut apart sheet. I might actually make a baby album, I think. Oh, what's that one? Yep. Beautiful little sentiments and strips there. Sorry, I'm losing my voice as well, which isn't great. So that's really pretty. I do like that. What's the papers in this one like? We haven't actually gotten to the kits yet. I'll get there. So again, you can chop that off. You can even use that bit there. Very nice. Yep, I like that. Very nice indeed. Okay, now we come to the actual colour, create and colour kit. So this one is the Secret Fairy Garden. And because it's the first kit off the press, we've got a past kit as well, which was just, they were card kits back then. Now they're called Create and Colour. So this one I'll go through very quickly first. They may still have these ones available. Okay. You can get a lot of things for your $37. Okay, so it comes with a little magazine of ideas and what the design team has made. It tells you what you're going to need for each card, which is brilliant. Very nice. You get your double-sided foam squares, packet of 10 cards and envelopes. Now I'm pretty sure these are going to be for the Australian market, which is 14.8 centimetres, which is 5 13/16 inch that way, by 10.5 or 4 1/8. So they're the Australian size cards. Very nice quality. 300 GSM. Oh, it's got the measurements on the back. There you go. We get some little rhinestones. That one's champagne. Some baker's twine. Packet of creative cuts. I won't go through these ones. I think I did some of my Christmas gift cards with this set actually. Very nice. So it's 32 single-sided pattern papers. Alright, so that's that one. This is the current kit. The kits come out every 2 months. I might get rid of the box actually. Give myself a little bit more space. Yeah, so every 2 months a kit will come out, so it's not too heavy on the wallet. So we've got silver, silver little rhinestones, very nice. Some more double-sided foam dots, they're the round ones. Oops, there you go, just the round ones. They feel like about a 2mm loft. Some nice ribbon, we've got pink and teal, and this one is organza, that's the word I'm looking for, organza white. Another packet of 10 cards and envelopes, Australian size again. We get, that's on watercolour card, so you get a set of images for you to colour. This is on watercolour card, and this one is on their nice, it's not matte but it's not gloss, it's in between, almost like the Copic card stock you can get. and I'm pretty sure you can buy the digital version of these so you can then print them out on your own paper at home. I didn't do that this time because I don't really have much call for fairy cards. They are very pretty though, little beetle there. So yeah, I didn't opt for the digital with this one, but apparently that is an option. So it says it's perfect kit for all crafters including beginners, which is great. So it goes through what the designer team have made, what you're going to need for that particular card if you want to recreate it. And everything you need is in the kit. You don't need to use your stash if you don't want to. But you can to supplement it if you like. So for this one, for example, they've obviously used dies to do the outer bits. So I'll go through and make something for you as well. So these are the creative cuts, which is a secret fairy garden. So it's all going to match the theme. Beautiful colours. Do like so. It's mainly a lot of flowers. So we're going to get. Let's have a look. What else we have? Got the moon. Got some clouds. I can see a critter. I can see a couple of critters. Got a cute little snail. And I saw a butterfly. There we go. There's a butterfly. What else have we got? We've got some sentiments. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. For my little fairy. Special wishes. Oh, there's another butterfly. Yeah, so you get a fair whack in there. Oh, there's a fairy. Another butterfly. Another fairy. So yeah, you get a lot in there, that's for sure. Let's have a look at the paper pack, shall we? Oops. Pop all those. Actually, pop them all in there so that they don't go missing, because I'll be using them anyway in a minute. Okay. Now we have the paper pad. 32 single-sided. Again, you can use that and you can use that as well. Rightio, so it looks like we've got, that one's got 2 patterns on the one sheet, which is good. That one's a solid sheet. This one, it looks like you've already matted, but you haven't. It's actually part of the paper. That one there. Clouds. You've got some fairies, so you can fussy cut them out, or if you've got to scan and cut, that kind of thing, you can use that. Again, some card fronts. Oh, so those ones that I thought were used with dies, I think it's actually the pattern paper like that, judging by that. And that, I think, let's pull out one of the cards. If I'm not wrong, that will fit perfectly on the front of the card. Let's have a look. Yep, so that is card front size. Awesome. More fussy cutting. Let's see. Ooh, oh, look at that. Awesome. Now this doesn't feel the same as the other one did, which is, oh yeah, that one. It doesn't feel the same, so I'm wondering, I'll have to experiment to see if you can foil these. It'll be interesting. I'll have to play with that. I didn't read out what the sentiments were, did I? Oh, I think you get two of most things by the look of it. Let's have a look. We've got, oh, I can't pick it up. So it's wishing you a very good birthday, magical birthday wishes. Have a magical day. Little fairy dust is a must. Have the happiest birthday ever. Have a very awesome birthday. Congratulations. Happy birthday to you for my little fairy friend. May your wings sparkle today. Sending you all of my love. Fairy tales do come true. So it does cover a fair whack. I'm really impressed with that. So I'll leave this video there, and I will do another video actually using the items in the kit. Alright, thanks for watching.